Hello everybody, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another different type of video. All right, so before I get started, I can't show you guys any dried results from anything because I'm recording this video and I have no idea when you guys are going to see it. So there's no point in showing you anything right now. What I will tell you is don't forget, I am heading to Seattle, Washington, April 27th and to the 29th. I will be in Seattle, Washington for the Fluid Art Experience. Excuse me. If you want information for that event, check the description below. There's a website. It's www.fluidartexperience.com. Get your tickets today. All right. I have all these paints here that have been sitting in these little Lolivefe containers for the longest time. They are from, if you watch my videos regularly, they are from my color split series, my double color splits where I did like a light yellow, a medium yellow, and a dark yellow. So, and these are all just leftovers, and they've been sitting in these little Lolivefe cups forever. And quite frankly, I'm sick of looking at them. So I have decided today to do a ring pour. Now, I haven't done one of these in ages, and technically for a ring pour, your paints are supposed to be on the thicker side, but I'm not mixing paints just to do a ring pour. I'm going to use my leftover paints, which are my Dutch pour paints, so they are on the thin side, but that's okay. I'm going to do it anyway, and we're going to see how this turns out. Because, you know, I just really kind of want to get rid of all these paints, and there's so many colors. Like, look, I have so many. It's like endless containers of paint, and I'm just kind of tired of seeing them on my shelf. So, yeah, I don't really know where to start or what to do. I'm just going to go for it, and whatever ends up on the canvas is what's going to end up on the canvas. So I'm going to start, and don't ask me the colors. I know this one's greenish blue by Amsterdam. That I can tell you. But yeah, then we've got this bright yellow. So I'm not really sure. Yellow. It's probably primary yellow, obviously. Let's do this, no, let's do this purple. See, I have like 3 shades of purple. It's crazy. I don't know what they are though, so don't ask me. But they're all by Amsterdam. I'll tell you that. All right, and we got purple. Okay. Let's go with pink. This is probably light rose mixed with titanium white to make it a lighter pink. There we go. Okay. Let's go turquoise. I don't know how this is going to turn out. Like, I mean, your guess is as good as mine. So we shall see what happens here. Let's do pale blue. This nice little pale blue color here. Let's do that. Okay, and my goal here is just to finish all these up. I'm sick of looking at them. This is probably magenta. I couldn't even tell you. All right, there's a lot still left in there. There's like an orangey color. I'm not sure if that's a good idea. Might be mud. I don't know. But we're going for it anyway. I don't know. I'm just playing around here. Let's do, I don't know. There's this other purpley type color, so let's go that route. All right. We'll go there. Then I've got this beautiful smoky blue, so let's do that. And topping it off, another purple. So I've used them all, so oh my goodness. This is going to be interesting. I guess maybe I could add, oh my gosh, can you see that? Look at the colors. Now that is a lot of turquoise blue. So I have a feeling that is going to take over the painting at the end. So that's probably not good. I'm going to add yellow, some more yellow. Let's finish it off. What the heck? So these containers, I'm actually going to rinse out and keep them because you can easily just rinse them out and you're good to go. I'm going to add some light pink. Now this is probably a lot of paint. No joke. This is probably a lot of paint for this 14 by 14 inch canvas. No doubt. So I think that's it. I think we're gonna go with that. Look how pretty that is. It's like a rainbow. There's an air bubble. There we go. It's pretty. Not sure how the heck this is gonna turn out, but let's have some fun. Wow, yeah, look at that. Look at the cup. I'm really worried about that turquoise blue. I might end up stopping when I get to the bottom and not just destroy it with too much. Now, do I pour from here or do I pour from here? Here or here? Let's go whatever at this point. Let's go this way. Oh, okay, like it or not, this is the way I'm going. And I'm going nice and slow. Yeah, my gosh, there is so much paint in this cup. You definitely don't need this much paint, everyone. Not even close. I'm going to try, I'm not liking all this goopy orange. Maybe orange was a bad idea. I don't know. Let me bring it back. I'm not very good at this. And I have zero patience with doing this slowly. Oh my gosh, you should see the inside of my cup. It looks so pretty. Okay, out come the prettier colors. The turquoise. Yeah, see, I don't have a steady hand for this. Okay, out comes some yellow. And here comes my greenish blue. It's pretty with the yellow. Oh boy. This should be interesting. Okay, I guess I am using the whole cup. Look at that. Alrighty then. And the whole cup is done. Wow. Look at that. Not very good light reflection in there, but that looks pretty. All right. Let's pop any bubbles that are in here. Oh, maybe I shouldn't have done that. Getting all these little microscopic cells. All right, here comes the fun, not so fun part because you need patience for this. Oh my gosh, there's so much paint on here. So let's tilt her. There's a lot of pink in here. I'm not sure I'm happy about that. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of paint on this canvas. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm just trying to get to like all the corners first. Let me bring it back to the center. There is a lot of pink in here. I'm not thrilled about that. So I've got enough paint to redo this if I want to. All right, let's just take this off the edges and see what kind of debacle we have. Okay, bring it back to the center. Yeah, there's so much paint on here, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna come up to this corner. Okay, let's bring it back to the center. And let's come down here. I should have put gloves on. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, but I didn't. Okay. Bringing it back. Yeah, I really should have put gloves on. All right, and one last corner. I'm really going way too fast. And I should have put gloves on. I really should have put gloves on. Ding dong. I'm just not used to this. I don't really do this. Well, I'm really, really liking the turquoise bits here. I think I'm gonna go up here and get rid of, there's way too much paint still on the canvas. Oh my gosh. You know, it started off with so much pink and now, look at me, I'm a mess. And now it's like all turquoise. I love it. I actually really love it. Huh, who would have thought? Look at that. Didn't see that coming. And that's why, you know, once you start tilting, you can really, I guess, push off whatever you don't want. I can see kind of from the camera angle that there's canvas showing here. There we go. What's going on over here? Oh my gosh, I'm like actually pleasantly surprised. I really should have put gloves on. That was a pretty dumb move on my part. Oh, nothing irritates me more than really filthy hands. I can't believe this. I was not expecting this result. That is insane. Now, I don't know how this is going to dry because, again, the paints are super duper thin. For a ring pour, your paints need to be really thick. And I'm kind of seeing here along the edges, I can kind of see the canvas a little bit because, again, the paints are super thin. But I expect that because I'm using Dutch pour paints, not ring pour consistency paints. I may want to do this again and finish up these colors. I may do another one off camera. But anywho, let me bring you guys in for a close-up. This was fun. Be right back. All right, so here it is. Now let me show you the sides. So you can see, you know, you can kind of see the canvas like right here along the edge. And that's expected. Like, I mean, I am not using thick paints. And I will scrape those drips. But yeah, you can definitely see the edges. But again, expected because I am using thin Dutch pour paints. But look at the rings on this. Now, there's not going to be any shimmer to this because there was nothing metallic or even iridescent in any of this. However, when this dries, I will probably take a metallic marker from my Lolivefe, maybe gold, maybe silver. I'm not really sure, but I will definitely embellish it. I may even add some gold flakes to it. I'm not really sure yet, but for now, let's just see how this dries. I may do a gold border because look, you can see that the edge is definitely not covered very well. So if I take a gold marker to it and then just come across the edge and do a gold border, I think that'll look pretty too. Or silver. I haven't decided yet, but I think it looks great. So no sense in turning the lights off and showing you what it looks like with the flash on because there's no shimmer to this whatsoever. So I hope you guys enjoyed this super short, different video. Let me know what you guys think. Should I look how many colors I have left? And look at the cup. Let's see if you can see the cup. That's pretty neat. See, I even have brown, but I didn't use brown because I didn't want mud. But I've got a lot of, that would be a nice color combo. 2 shades of yellow, 2 shades of turquoise, maybe add some purples and the blues, maybe X-nay on the orange. I'm not sure, but that would look cool. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. If you want it like this and you don't want anything done to it, it's available for purchase if you like it as is, or you can wait until I embellish it. Might take me a while though, but yeah, that's it. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. That is it for me for now. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.